Anandit Infotech gaming PC build available. Anandit Infotech Bangalore gaming PC. AMD Ryzen 9 5900X CPU. Motherboard Asus X570 plus Wi-Fi. Deep cool cooler 240 RGB. RTX Galaxy 3090 Galaxy RTX. RAM Corsair 64 GB. Cooler Master TD500 Cabinet Gaming. SMP's Deep Cool 850 modular with 80 plus gold. Graphics card RTX Galaxy 3090 24 GB. Available ready stock. Anandit Infotech Bangalore. AMD 5900X